What is going on, moto friends? Now, if you follow the channel, you may have seen my full-length motorcycle launch control video, and if you haven't, I'll put the link up top so you can check it out. But today I'm going to be doing an abridged version just for the Ducati fans out there. I'm going to be talking about the Ducati Power Launch feature on this Ducati Monster motorcycle. Now, if you're not familiar with Ducati Power Launch, this is one of the electronic riding aids designed by Ducati to help you accelerate faster from a complete standstill. With this feature, all the rider has to do is focus on releasing the clutch and pinning the throttle, and then the computer does the rest. Let's take a look at how it works. This is how you access the Ducati Power Launch menu. So if you go to your main screen, you'll see that there's a settings menu here, and you can scroll through that using your up and down arrow. So the next thing is a lap timer, and the final thing is DPL, which is Ducati Power Launch. Once you see that, you click enter with your left thumb. You can see your available launches on top, and the standard number is 3. As you do more, that number will decrease. So then you scroll up, and you can see your settings, level 3, level 2, level 1. So level 3 is the beginner level, and I would recommend starting with that level if you haven't done this before. Level 2 is a little bit less rider aid, and then number 1, they say that you should use if you are a professional rider, so I haven't tried that. So today I'll be showing you level 3 just so you have an idea of what the Power Launch is. Let's take a look at a few Power Launch runs, and let me know in the comments which one do you think was most successful.
All right, let's start this up. So, again, we enter DPL from the menu, we go up to level 3, we hold the button down, and then it says, pull the clutch, engage first gear, and open full throttle. So clutch, first gear. Well, that was good. The front end did buck up a little bit, so we're going to see if we can redo a launch a little bit better. I think I may have dumped the clutch a little too quickly as I started accelerating. So we'll try that again. All right, let's try it again now that we know a little bit what to expect. Start neutral. All right, 2 launches available, as you can see now. So again, level 3, put it in. All right, ready? All right, that was a little better. So as the front end starts to come up, you can really feel the computer intervention going in with it. Dropping the revs, so it's such a narrow street to turn around on. We'll do one last launch with the camera behind me so you can kind of see what it looks like. There's a lot of power in this motorcycle, especially low down, so it just wants to wheelie. But with some practice, I'm sure I can get this launch better.